Hi everybody, do you remember this beautiful girl? Her name used to be Katie. Her name is Bella now. Thank you, Daryl, for adopting Miss Bella and giving her a nice home right here in Buckeye where I can still see her. I have her DNA results back in. I'd like to share them with everybody, but before I do that, I'd like to give a big thank you for everybody who adopted all the Indian Reservation dogs. I'd like to thank Rebecca and Ryan for adopting Thelma and Louise together. I will add a photo of them on the screen over here. That way you can see the two little peas in the pod again. If you missed my first video on the Indian Reservation dogs, go ahead and I will add that into the description below. I'd also like to thank Tracy and Scott for adopting Sunny and my other dog Dolly from one of my December moms. They are also local in Goodyear, so it'd be nice to see them again sometime soon. If you missed the video on Dolly, I'll also add the description to that below. They were like best friends right away. They were totally meant to be sisters. Thank you guys so much for both of those families for the extra donation of food and supplies. I'd also like to thank Catherine for adopting Olivia, now named Belle. It's kind of cute how it's Belle and Bella now out of these two that were practically twins. You guys were practically twins, I know. So sweet. She's a little shy in a new environment. I'm at the park because it's beautiful weather out, and Dad said she was a little shy on walking, so I was curious that what she was doing that was a little nervous still, so I could know where to give him tips on. She's such a sweet girl. So I have her DNA results coming up over here next. Hi everybody, we're back with Katie's DNA reveal. So I got a wisdom panel. I think it's the 3.0, but it's the newer version where they do down to the 1%. Don't quote me on that. I don't think it's a 4.0. I know some of the older wisdom panels that I have used will break some of it down to a breed group and they don't break it down to the 1%. So I'm excited to use one of these new ones. So here's a pretty picture of little Miss Katie. Actually, her name is Belle now. Wow, so she's mostly cattle dog, husky, chow, and Shar-Pei and Samoyed. No wonder she has such a fluffy coat. Both cattle dog, husky, chow, and Samoyed are extremely fluffy. Let's jump over to Ancestry and get more of a breakdown. 16 different breeds detected. So the blue looks like an Asian group and the red is herding and a bunch of other little mixed things. I'm not quite sure what some of these other breeds are. We're gonna have to look and find out. So we have husky and the chow. Here's the Shar-Pei, a Samoyed, the Ridgeback. They look so naked. This one looks like the Shibu Emu. We have a cattle dog, the McNab. I've been told these guys can have a red coat and their ears can be up also. We have another Australian dog over here. These guys are cool. I've never seen these. I've never known these existed. I like them. I'll have to do more research on them. We have the Dachshund. I'm surprised she has Dachshund in her. These are really short, super cute little healers. I recently learned about them. Here's the Newfoundland. And another large breed I'm not familiar with. We have a Rottweiler, a Cane Corso. Sorry guys, I'm over here trying not to laugh. My daughter's poking me in the eye. I try to find a quiet moment to do these things, but I can never do that. So here's the Retriever. These guys have really curly coats. I think one of the new ones, Huxley, that I have, looks kind of like a Retriever. Okay, let's jump over to the breakdown of the parents. So it looks like Dad is on the left and Mom is on the right. So Dad was Chow, Samoyed, Husky, and Cattle Dog. Mom was Cattle Dog, McNabb, and Chinese Shar-Pei. And this is how they break it down. Let's jump over to her health and see how that came out. So Miss Belle is clear for 29 genetic conditions. Yay! So that's quite cool that they do the health too. I know they break down more of that stuff here, but it's not all that interesting to look at in my opinion. Let's jump over to the summary real quick. Thank you guys for checking out my YouTube video. Earlier in the video, I was calling Katie Bella, and it's actually Belle, and Olivia is actually Bella. So I had that reversed, so I apologize. Calling to correct that now. If you'd like to see more DNA reveals and more rescue puppy videos and all this fun stuff that I'm posting, and I plan to post a lot more and to learn a lot more and to get better in some of these videos. So please feel free to like, subscribe, share, ring that notification bell so you don't miss a new video. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to kiss your fur friends for me. Bye!